7.5 times 4.5, that will give us the actual area. So the actual area is 7.5 times 4.5. Now, how do you do this without a calculator? Come over to this place and let's work it out here. 7.5, 4.5, multiplying each other. Take note of this. Number one, step one, move out the points. Move out the what? Points. This comes here and this comes here. Step two, multiply as usual. So we have 5 times 5 gives 25. Now we have 25. Which of them should I drop down, record, let it sit down, and which of them should I carry? Was it, did you say 2? If you said 2, you need to take the lecture back again and watch what I said. If you said 5, you are correct. So we drop down 5, carry 2, because 5 is the one on the right hand side. Now 5 times 7 gives what? When we say 7 times 5, that gives 35. 35 plus 2 gives what? 37. We can record 37. Do you know why? Because there is no other thing to multiply 5 with. Remember, when we are done with whatsoever we have, the digits we have on top, we are done with multiplying 5 with all the digits on top, we can stop and move to 4. And when we are moving to 4, we have to start recording under, no longer on the same line. That's how to do it. So because of that, there's no other thing to multiply 5 with. If there was 3 or any other number here, we would have dropped down 7 and carried 3, so that we can multiply again and then add it before we finish. But since there's nothing here again, we will just simply put our 37 and move to 4, which we begin to record under. Is that clear? Now 4 times 5 is 20. Where are we going to record it? Are we going to record it here? No, because we are now working with 4. We have left 5. 4 is on this second column, this second line here, straight line. So we simply record it under, and we can't put the answer on top of 7, so it automatically will go under 7. So 4 times 5 is 20. So put 20, right? That 20 will drop down this 0, because that's the one on the right hand side. You see, it's not actually by which of them is greater. 0 and 2 isn't 0 smaller, but we are going to put down 0. Why? Because it's on the right hand side. So put down 0 and carry 2. Make sure you don't forget this. Now 4 times 7 as 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 28, remember you have something standing here, you must add it up. 28 plus 2 making 30. So we put 30 here. Right? Good. Now we then sum them up, add them up. That's the last thing you do. When there is nothing to add up to 5, you simply drop down 5. 7 plus 0 gives 7. 3 plus 0 gives 3. It's like saying 3 plus nothing. You still have 3, right? 7 plus nothing, you still have 7, right? Now there's nothing here. Remember this plus sign, I only place it there. I can place it outside, but there's nothing on top of 3. So like saying nothing plus 3 gives 3. Now we have 3, 3, 5, 7. But is this our final answer? No. Why? Remember, we brought out our points once for the first number, the second number once. Once plus once making twice. So 1 times out plus another 1 times out, making 1 plus 1. That's 2 times out. So we brought the point 2 times out. We'll bring it back 2 times in. That will be, remember, we assume it's out now. These two points, point plus point, have combined to form this point. But this is saying 2 points. So move it 2 times. We're not going to put 2 decimal points, but move it 2 times. That's 1, 2. So our point will stay here. Therefore, our actual area, after doing the calculation, we discover that our actual area is going to be equal to 33